Vietnamese cuisine is a perfect balance of flavors: sweet, sour, salty, and umami. From fresh spring rolls to steaming bowls of pho, every dish tells a story. Which Vietnamese dish is your favorite? Have you tried them all? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food journeys. 20. Cam Tam, broken rice, a popular Saigon dish featuring fragrant broken rice served with grilled pork, a fried egg, pickled vegetables, and fish sauce. 19. Banh Trang Tron, Vietnamese rice paper salad. A delicious street food snack made with shredded rice paper, dried shrimp, quail eggs, herbs, and tangy tamarind sauce. 18. Bun Bo Hue, spicy beef noodle soup. A spicy, lemongrass-infused beef noodle soup from Hue, featuring thick noodles, beef shank, pork hock, and fragrant herbs. 17. Cha Ca Lavong, Hanoi turmeric fish with dill. A Hanoi specialty where fish is marinated in turmeric and grilled, then served with dill, peanuts, and vermicelli noodles. 16. Goi Quan, fresh spring rolls. Also known as Vietnamese fresh rolls, these light, healthy rolls are packed with shrimp, herbs, vermicelli, and lettuce, served with peanut sauce. 15. Banh Xeo, Vietnamese crispy pancake. A crispy, savory pancake made from rice flour, coconut milk, and turmeric, filled with shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts, and wrapped in herbs and rice paper. 14. Nem Nuong, grilled pork sausage rolls. Juicy grilled pork skewers served with fresh rice paper, herbs, pickles, and peanut dipping sauce. 13. Cà Phê Xoa Da, Vietnamese iced coffee. A strong, aromatic Vietnamese coffee brewed through a metal drip filter, sweetened with condensed milk and served over ice. 12. Bo Luk Lak, shaking beef tender cubes of stir-fried beef marinated in garlic and soy sauce, served with onions, tomatoes, and a side of rice. 11. Che, Vietnamese sweet dessert soup. A variety of sweet soups, puddings, and drinks made with ingredients like mung beans, tapioca pearls, coconut milk, and fruit. 10. Bun Cha, grilled pork with vermicelli noodles. A Hanoi favorite featuring grilled pork patties and pork belly, served in a tangy broth with rice noodles and herbs. 9. Hu Tu, Southern Vietnamese noodle soup. A clear, light noodle soup featuring pork, shrimp, quail eggs, and fresh bean sprouts, often eaten for breakfast. 8. Banh Quan, steamed rice rolls. Delicate steamed rice rolls filled with minced pork, mushrooms, and shallots, topped with crispy shallots and served with fish sauce. 7. Lao, Vietnamese hot pot, a flavorful broth-based hot pot where diners cook seafood, meat, vegetables, and noodles at the table, perfect for sharing. 6. Xoi Man, Vietnamese savory sticky rice. A delicious sticky rice dish topped with Chinese sausage, shredded chicken, egg, and fried shallots, drizzled with soy sauce. 5. Banh Mi, Vietnamese baguette sandwich, a fusion of French and Vietnamese flavors, featuring a crispy baguette filled with pork, pâté, pickled carrots, cucumber, and fresh herbs. 4. Mi Quang, Quang-style noodles, a specialty from central Vietnam, featuring turmeric-infused noodles, shrimp, pork, peanuts, and crispy rice crackers in a light broth. 3. Cam Ga Hoi An, Hoi and chicken rice, a fragrant dish from Hoi An, featuring tender shredded chicken, turmeric-infused rice, and fresh herbs, served with a side of broth. 2. Goi Ga, Vietnamese chicken salad. A light and refreshing salad made with shredded chicken, cabbage, carrots, and fresh herbs, tossed in a tangy fish sauce dressing. 1. Pho, Vietnamese noodle soup, Vietnam's most iconic dish. A fragrant broth slow-cooked with beef bones, star anise, cinnamon, and ginger, served with fresh rice noodles, beef, and herbs. And that's our journey through Vietnam's most famous dishes. From the comforting pho to the flavorful banh mi, Vietnamese food is full of fresh and bold flavors. Which dish is your favorite? Did we miss any? Let us know in the comments below. Want more food adventures? Check out these videos. Top 30 Japanese dishes, sushi, ramen, and more. Top 30 French dishes, buttery croissants to rich boeuf bourguignon. Top 30 Spanish dishes, the best tapas, paella, and traditional meals. Top 50 most famous dishes in the world, the greatest global flavors. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food explorations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next food adventure.